I think so, December 2020. Dr. Ramani for returning cup. I can move my arm, I got a lot of pain, I can sleep. I can move my arm. Now I come see doctor. Doctors tell me for do the operation. Him do the 2 years ago, him do the my left side. I'm do good too. Now in December come for the second one. I tell you, it's amazing. I feel great. Yes, I tell my friends already about the doctor. First I say that it's amazing, as the doctor did to me. I feel like new.